Tired of project management feeling like herding cats? Let's tame the chaos and turn you into a ClickUp master in just 90 seconds. First, think of Spaces as your project headquarters. Click the plus icon to create one for each major project or department. Give it a name and choose a color to visually organize everything. Inside each space, you'll find lists representing specific stages or areas of your project. Create lists like to do, in progress, and completed, then drag and drop tasks between them as work progresses. Now for the heart of ClickUp tasks. Click New Task to add an item to your list. Fill in the task name, a detailed description, assign it to a team member, and set a due date to keep everyone on track. ClickUp isn't one size fits all. Tailor your view. Switch between list view for detail, board view for visual workflow, calendar for deadlines, or Gantt chart for project timelines, finding the best fit for your style. Collaboration is key. Use the comments section within each task to communicate with your team. Mention specific members with the @ symbol to notify them, and attach relevant documents directly to the task for easy access. Finally, keep your finger on the pulse with ClickUp's dashboards. Customize your dashboard to track project progress, monitor team workload, and identify bottlenecks, ensuring you stay on schedule and within budget. Now go conquer those projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips.